Old girl's getting ready for a paint job. Never seen her without windows before. Got to take that moonroof off in a second. Just look at that. She looks like she's ready for the wreckers. Poor girl. Anyway, so to get the moonroof off, that's all you do. Remove the spoiler and then half close it, and then you can undo two 10mm from both sides, and now she just slides off. Easy peasy. Look at that. You okay? Sweet as. Before putting the replacement moonroof on, I decided to give it a window tint first. That's going to help with shatterproof protection, so hopefully prevent it from cracking again or last longer without cracking. Also a bit of UV protection if you've got the bottom layer open. And plus a little bit of a preview there from the paint. You can see I've got videos to come yet that I've been waiting to be done.
Okay, see that.
Just towards the end of the year. Busy. I haven't had much time to get to the videos, but I've got a whole bunch lined up. So what I'm going over here is just so where the front line's up there and where the back line's up, so you can just slide them in, slide the window in. Now this part here, I bring the window up to here and line it up with the mounts and put it in, but you'll see in a minute that the window didn't close properly. So I had to bring it to, let's say, 98% closed and then mount the hinges back up, and you'll see that in a second how everything works fine. But lining it up there, it didn't close properly. Lining it up near the where it's supposed to be closed, everything lined up properly. So this very last part, I couldn't get it to close properly, so I had to bring the window separate to the hinges as far as I could get to the front there and muck around a little bit to line them up. But now everything's working sweet. And that's how you replace the moonroof. There you go. Job's done. She closes properly. Happy days. So I'm not really too sure why I got stuck getting past this point here. Once I undid the hinges again, moved the glass in the position myself and moved the hinges close up to here and then realigned it up, everything was happy days. So all good to go. So don't forget, the front of the window slides into this section here, the back into that section there, and rear spoiler off. She just comes off and on.